Now the recent questions which is shared, as I mentioned, few people attended the Tech M Drive already, okay, in different profiles, right? So we got few questions from them. This all questions, similar things available in PDF. I cross-checked. In fact, same questions or similar questions already is available in the PDF what we shared, okay. But as it is recently given, we're just moving to those questions, okay. What is shared by your friends who are attended for different profile regarding Tech M Drive, okay. So if you see the first question, this is related to reasoning, data sufficiency. In Accenture company, data sufficiency important. TCS company important. Now Tech Mahindra also important. To answer this question, who is the tallest among these four people? They given the data. Using one alone, you have to try. Two alone, you have to try. If not possible, go for together. One alone, two alone. If not possible, then go for together. First two must be mandatory. This is okay. Alone possible means don't go for together, right? The first one, Meera is shorter than Radha. Meera is shorter than Radha, but taller than Geetanjali. So statement one, not able to decide who is the tallest. So Meera is shorter than Radha. Meera is taller than Geetanjali. So Meera is shorter. Meera cannot be tallest. Geetanjali is also shorter to Meera. So it may be Radha or Kamala. I cannot decide using statement one alone. One alone, I am not able to decide the answer. Next, Kamala is taller than Geetanjali. Two alone. If I go for statement two alone, Kamala is taller than Geetanjali. Two alone also not sufficient because I don't know using this. What about Radha and Meera? I cannot decide. Now together. If you go for together, both statements together, we know using statement one, this is the situation. Using statement two, Kamala is Kamala is taller than Geetanjali. Kamala can be here. Kamala can be here. Kamala can be here. So it can be Radha tallest or Kamala tallest. Both together is not sufficient. You observe there is an option both together not sufficient. Guys, both together not sufficient should be your answer. Both statements together not sufficient. Yeah, this is also not possible here. Data sufficiency. Which data is required to answer this question? Both statements put together not sufficient. We need additional data. Right. Now see the second question. Again related to the same data sufficiency. They asked one more question. Here I am not giving the options as you people already aware of what's the options already. I'm not giving the options, so you just see those. Now I have four friends. What is my age? So statement one alone, statement two alone, then go for together. This is also reasoning related stuff. Both questions related to reasoning. Okay, now average of our ages is 85 years. I have four friends, so total 5 people, right? 5 people average is 85. 5, okay, people average 85. So 5 people average 85 means, see, one may be 90, one may be 80. Their average is, if suppose 2 people, one person is 80, one person is 90, average 85. So average 85 is not meaning that I can decide, okay, everybody age is 85, I cannot decide that. Statement 2 alone, all of us are of same age. Means 5 people, let's say A, B, C, D, E, all are same age. Using that also, I cannot say, using statement 2 alone, I cannot decide, but together, put together is correct. So you have to go with the answer, both statements put together. Both statements 1 and 2 together is sufficient because average is 85. If everybody age is same, then average also same. So everybody age is 85, 85, 85 only. Then only average 85 will come. So both statements put together sufficient. And any doubts, please ask. Okay, I am in a perception that okay, people with good percentage only eligible, and if people can grasp the things easily. Okay, that's what I am thinking in a side. Any doubts, please put in the chat box. Right. Next one. This is related to quant. Quant related question. In how many ways can and okay, that's what okay. Some of your friends shared that okay. There may be some typo errors. Leave about it. Okay. To form a garland, four particular types of flowers are never separated. I think here instead of and, it might be seven different types of flowers be string to form a. I think maybe this is some number will be there. In how many ways? Seven different types of flowers be strung. So maybe be stretched. Okay, to form a. Okay, here there is some typing mistake. So you just understand that there is seven different types of flowers to form a garland. So that four particular types of flowers are never separated. Means they are together. So out of seven flowers, four particular flower types of flowers are together. So four are together means they are like one unit. So three flowers, that's other thing. Here four flowers, right? They should be put together means this should be considered like one unit. This is three units. They said together. They never separated means they are together. They are never separated means they are together. Means we can consider like one unit. So you can see always some four friends are always going together. Wherever they go to break or they go to movie or they go to college. Everywhere they are going together means they are like one unit, one batch, one unit. Here you have three units. Yeah, permutation, combination, probability is there in CTS quant. You need to think, and they're not typical questions. That's why I kept today's session itself 3 to 4 questions related to probability and permutation combination. They are giving very basic, no tension, nothing, right? So three units and four plus one unit. Total you have four units here. You have four units. In PDFs, whatever I shared, okay, you can find on the video, which I already discussed one side of paper. There also you can see four units. Garland. Garland is invertible circular permutation actually. See, circular permutation for n people means n minus 1 factorial. Invertible circular permutation is n units means n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. When you have 4 units, it's 3 factorial divided by 2, which is nothing but 3 ways. And 3 ways, okay, in multiplied with, you have that 4 1 unit, right? These four flowers are 1 unit. They can be internally in 4 factorial ways. 4 flowers are 1 unit. They can handle in 4 factorial ways. See, circular permutation, n units means n minus 1 factorial. Why that minus 1 we discussed in regular session related to permutation combination, right? But if it is invertible circular permutation, garland and necklace are related to invertible circular permutations. For that, whole divided by 2 will be extra. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, same. We discussed that in regular classes related to permutation combinations. Okay, I'm just recalling those. This is related to invertible circular permutation. If it is n people, how many ways to arrange is n people, no. We don't say people, okay. Invertible means it's like n beads are there for a garland. Okay, so then the arrangement is n minus 1 factorial divided by 2 like that. So 3 factorial divided by 2. Necklace and garland is what the examples for invertible circular permutation. So totally it is 3 into 24, 72 should be the answer. So options are not given. So well, fine, okay, this is the way procedure. You just try to think about what first thing, okay, what topic they are focusing, the procedure. Okay, so procedure you follow. And this is again related to quant simplification. You can see in the PDF what I shared. We have simplification related stuff more and more. This is simply, okay, this expression will be like this. Yeah, this is, yeah, you can see the same or similar question which is there in the material what we shared already. It's a cube plus b cube upon a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. So means this is nothing but a plus b. A cube plus b cube formula, if you know, It's a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So it will cancel a plus b, which is nothing but 1. Here a means 4.56, b means 5.44. Adding both, you will get 1. So the questions are very much like this level only. If you people focus and solve, things are very much easy, right? If you got the answer, you people can respond in the chat box. Next, this is again related to probability related stuff. Probability. Quant related question. Probability. Here there are a question with one multiple choice question answers as A, B, and C, as well as, okay, you have one MCQ question where you have 3 options for that A, B, C, and you have 2 true or false questions. So first question true or false is 2 options you have. One more question with true or false option. So this is what the scenario. One MCQ question with 3 options, other 2 questions, each one with true or false. What is the probability of answering all the 3 questions correctly? So first question, if you want to answer correctly, probability there is only 1 out of 3, right? So out of 3, only 1 correct answer is there. So here second one to be correct means out of those 2, 1 only. Next one out of that, 1 only. So 1 out of 2 is your answer. Your answer is very simple. Probability guessing all the answers correct. First one, okay, maybe B is the correct one out of these 3. So probability is favorable out of total. Favorable is only 1 correct answer out of the total 3. Here also 1 correct answer out of 2, 1 correct answer out of 2. Right, answering all, don't do plus. If you do plus one thing, probability more than 1, that's a blunder mistake. And if you do plus means you are attempting only one of these questions. You need to attempt all the 3 questions, right? Okay, first question and second question and third question. With that word and, you have to get multiplication. If you do addition, one thing, probability more than 1 will come. That's a blunder mistake, right? Next question again related to permutation combination in quant. Similar question with the name change. Here name is different. Some people are claiming like, sir, questions are not from the PDF. Don't see the same words. What they'll do, the same concept, you just check captain, co-captain in that PDF, you can find. But what they do, okay, instead of that ABC there, here they use some other word, right? Now, so among the are eligible to be the captain. John, Dylan, and Matthew are eligible to be a captain of rugby team. Luke, okay, this is what, okay, Lucas Gabriel may be different or single word, a different word. That is also important. I'm taking it a different word here. Answer will be depends on that. So Lucas, Gabriel, Samuel, and Christopher are eligible to the co-captain. How many ways to select the captain is 3 ways. Among John, Dylan, and Matthew, 1 person, 3C1. Co-captain, among these 4 people, 1 person. 4C1 means 4 ways. Because of one multiplication, this is 3 into 4, 12 ways. That's it. So I have 3 chances for captain, 4 chances to select a co-captain. Okay, consider that Lucas and Gabriel are different names. They'll put comma, full stop, everything correct in the exam. This is the questions we got from the side of students. So there is some typing mistakes and all, but focus on the way of understanding the approach. Approach is important here. Right. Now this is related to quant, 7th question. Basic stuff they given. Okay, quant related. So it's like A can complete the work in 40 minutes, B can complete the work in 45 minutes together. This is C. Okay. Conditioner 1, 40 minutes will take. Conditioner 2 take 45 minutes to cool. Both are on. What is the time taken? If 2 people are working together, it should take less time. And they're giving approximately in the answers actually. Approximately, they don't give exactly 22 point and all. I think 22 minutes. This question is there in the booklet. Or the PDF what we shared in quant, you can check. So if it is together, 2 people alone, they given together means it's like product divided by summation. You can take LCM, fix the work, you can do like that. Actually specific, okay, inputs for you as time is less. I'm giving with the short way. Okay, so denominator should be 85, 40 into 45. This is 5 17 times, 5 8 times. It should be like 325 upon, sorry, 360, right? 360 upon 17, 2 times 34, still you have 20, means 21, 3 by 17 minutes. So it will be around 22. They didn't given 21 answer. They given 22 minutes in the options. We can go with 22 minutes. Okay. You don't have option like 21 something. You have 22 minutes option. You can pick that. So when they're given alone and you need to go for together means, yeah, when more people are there, it will take less time to complete. If one air conditioner takes 40 minutes to cool the room, another one 45 minutes, when both are on, it should be taking less time. So product divided by summation. Next, this is analogy concept. Definitely you can find one or two questions. As these 12 questions, you can at least find one question related to analogy. In reasoning, this is reasoning. Same question available in booklet, that PDF. This is, they subtracted 3, 3 from everything. If you subtract 3, 3, 3, okay, you can find 6, 4, 3. Right, so see the next one. This is related to directions. Similar question available in the booklet, directions in reasoning. Yeah, you can expect one question from directions, one question from coding and decoding, one question from analogy, right? So this is without diagram. How to do is, they said 2 miles east, 3 miles south, 2 miles west. Then he then travels towards the initial point from where he started. So, okay, in which direction is he from the initial point? Okay, fine. You can draw a diagram also, better, because they said towards the things and all. So 2 meters east, 3 miles south, 2 meters west. From here, this is 2, this is 3, this is 2. From here, he traveled towards the initial point. This is the initial point. He traveled 2 miles. Means he will be at this position. So now from initial to final point, there is 1 mile. And in which direction is he from initial point is, from initial he is down means south. So from initial point south and 1 mile is the distance. Distance is 1 mile and he is south direction. From initial, final point is down. Down means south, right means east, left means west, up means north. Okay, directions definitely you can find question. And this model, they're not sure, but they're giving this question here and there. At least 5 people, among 5 people, 2 or 3 students will get this model for sure. Okay. Inequalities topic, you can find all this topic related. See, I said time and work, you can find in my YouTube channel time and work. Okay, you can find directions in my YouTube channel video. Okay, if you want to learn combinations, you have a video. Simplification, you have a video. Data sufficiency I given during Accenture, or what is the basic procedure, you can go through that. Fine. Instead of all those, first at least complete this today's that video related to quantum raising, which I shared a couple of days before, and then we'll see about rest later. Okay. Here, this is inequalities concept. This is also I shared video. Okay, inequalities, how to approach. Here, a plus b means a greater than b. M minus n means m less than n. Star means equal. This dash means again less than. So, yeah. Now, first one is what? M less than O. Next one is n less than p. Correct. Okay. As n equal to O, in place of n, I can put O. M less than O is correct only. O less than p, as n equal to O, in place of O, I can put n. N less than p also correct. So both conclusions are true. You see inequalities concept, we give a lot of different varieties there, but this is very basic question. Both are true. In place of n, I can keep O. In place of O, we can keep n, right? So that's what n less than p, m less than O. Likewise, you need to go ahead. Both true. Super. Again, this is related to simplification. So, or a certain indices, I to agree, but we can consider this as a simplification related stuff. and what are the things might be covered in the given time up to 9 5 and all. So we'll see whatever it's possible, we'll try. Yeah, this is the question. They may ask you what is a plus b, what is a minus b, or likewise they'll ask. Okay, this is I think so. 7 a value or a minus b. They may ask like that. What is a minus b value likewise? So first thing you got the clarity that you need to write this right side term in terms of 5 powers and 7 powers. Right? If I write 7, 2 times 14, 31 means 4 times 28, then 5 times is 35. So again, 7, 3 times 21, 5 times 35. So again 7 into 7 into 7 into 5. So this is actually 7 cube into 5 power 1. So we got the clarity that b equal to 1 on comparison and a will be equal to minus 1. Then a minus b will be equal to minus 2 or a plus b. They may ask you something related to that, or a minus b whole square, whatever it might be. So you have to just compare. This is such concept, such analysis like that. Okay, but no need to deeply go into that concept. They're giving all basic stuffs like this. And logarithms, for sure, logarithm one question here. Data interpretation also they're asking. So few of your friends given a clarity, you need to go through data interpretations as well. Data interpretation, they'll give some diagram, okay, or maybe line graph or bar graph or pie chart related. Data interpretation also they're asking. Logarithms very important. One question everybody will get from logarithms. You can see in that video what I shared. I think so. I already covered logarithms. Every set you can find logarithms related. Okay. So here itself you can see now. Quant related questions, few I'm discussing, then reasoning as well. See here, they ask questions related to logarithm. Log 3 base 4 multiplied by log 64 base 243. It may be minus or something might be there, or divided by might be. I'm expecting yes, there may be some division symbol. We'll see. Or product. Okay, it might be a product as well. Yeah, product. See, log 64, we can write it like 4 cube. 243 as 3 power 5. Okay, using logarithm concept, we can write this as 3 by 5 log 4 base 3. Second term can be simplified like that. Now, log 3 base 4 means log 3 divided by log 4. Second term is 3 by 5 times log 4 base 3 means log 4 divided by log 3. Log get cancelled. We'll get 3 upon 5. Option A. Logarithm related, there are a lot of questions you can find. So this is one among that. Simplifying that given expression. Log, definitely one question. And this is related to simple interest. You can find this question very frequently. Principal is A. Rate of interest per annum is A. And time is given as A months. Very important is generally in simple interest I equal to PTR by 100. Okay, T is in years. But here time is given in months. So you should take T equal to A by 12 years. If it is months, if you want to convert into years, time should be taken as A months as A by 12th of year. Then they're asking amount. Amount means very important, principal plus interest. Okay, so principal here is A. In interest, principal A, time is A by 12. Rate of interest also A. The 12 will come to denominator. Now you take A common. This is the option D is the one which is suitable. This is separate. If you take A common, 1 plus A square upon 1200. 1 plus A square upon 1200 will come. A very frequent question you can find related to this simple interest and compound interest in AMCAT platforms usually. Right. So see the next question. Time and work related stuff. Next one. Amit can take 6 hours to type 32 pages. So you can type 32 pages in 6 hours. Himanshu will type 40 pages in 5 hours. Okay, he can type 8 pages per hour. This guy can type 16 by 3 pages per hour. Okay. Now together they have to type 110 assignments. So if they are together, Amit and Himanshu, if they are working together, then 16 by 3 plus 8, which is 24 plus 16, 40 by 3 pages they can type per hour. In 1 hour, they can type 40 by 3 pages. You have to type 110 pages, right? So what's the time taken is 110 divided by 40 upon 3. This 0 cancel. This is 33 upon 4 hours. 33 means 8 1 by 4th of the hour. 1 by 4th of the hour. 1 by 4 is 0.25, okay. But 1/4 of the hour means 15 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes, right? So 1/4 of the hour is nothing but equal to 15 minutes. So 8 hours, 15 minutes, you check once. Together. Right. So see the next one. Profit and loss related. Any doubt in the previous question, please? Time and work related. Next one. A vendor purchase clips at 12 for rupees 60. How many clips he sells his sale for rupees 60 to earn a profit of 20%, right? So he need to sell less clips for 60, then only he'll get 20% profit. So, yeah, see, for 60 rupees he got 12. Now for the same 60 rupees, how much he need to sell so that he had to get 20% profit. See, generally, listen, if it is 12 clips, 60 rupees. Okay, same, this is purchased. Same 12 clips you want to sell. If you want to sell or sold for 20% profit, then it should be 72 rupees. 20% profit means it should be 72 rupees, right? Now see, simpler. Why 72? 20%, right? So here 60 or 120% of 60, 120% because 20% profit, or 60 plus 10% is 6, 20% means 12. We got 72 anyhow. Okay. Now 12 clips sold for 72. One clip is 6 rupees. How many you can sell for 60 is 10 clips. Guys, now to get 20% profit, okay, 12 clips should be sold for 72, but for 60 rupees, 10 clips should be sold. 10 clips for 60. Right, so option D. Now see probability. Probability related question, you can expect one. Okay, high chances. What is the probability that Varun guesses correctly 3 times? So every 2 hands, one of the, say among 2 hands, one hand only he is holding a coin. To get the success, 1 by 2 first time, second time 1 by 2, third time 1 by 2. You need to correctly guess all 3 times. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. First time guessing correct, 1 by 2 chances. Out of 2, only one hand only is having a coin, right? So one correct out of 2. So like the 3 times we got 1 by 8. Like that they're asking, not too much difficult. There is a property, two numbers product is nothing but equal to LCM and HCF product. But be careful, they given this is square root of HCF. Even though related to this property, there are a lot of questions in the PDF what we shared as well. But they give square root, reciprocal, something like that stuff. Find product of two numbers is nothing but LCM and HCF product. HCF is 4 now, not 2. Don't directly multiply, it should be multiplied by 4. Square root of HCF is 2, so HCF is nothing but 4. So 12,005, sorry, 10,064. 10,064. Again, profit and loss. I think I remember it's like 3.27% loss. I have to check. No, two successive discounts. Yeah. See, every year before the festive season, a shopkeeper increase the product by 35%. Means if it is 100 rupees, he'll increase by 35%, means the price become 135 rupees. Then he is giving two successive discounts of 10% and 15%. So first, let's say he is giving 10% discount, means 135 minus 13.5 is discount, means it will decrease the price. So 10 rupees will give 125. Okay, it's 121.5. Next, he is giving 15% discount. Means it's 85% of 121.5. If it is more than 100, he will get profit. If it is less than 100, he will get loss. Calculator not allowed. That's what the problem. Sorry. Calculator not allowed. We need to be very precise with the things. Okay. So 85 divided by 100, that's not an issue. So you have to multiply this big number. Can we simplify anywhere? Yeah, first I think we can do 15%. Then we can do, yeah, that is the advantage, like 10 and 15 or 15 and 10 both can be done. If you do first 15, then 10 will be a bit easy. This is now facing some difficulty, right? So what I'll do, first I'll give 15% discount, then yeah, A into B or B into A, both same product. First 15, then 10%. 5%, 10% discount is 13.5. So 135, 13.5. This is 6. 14 means 7, so 6.75. Okay. So 19, 20.25. 20 gone means 115. So I think 149.75 will come. For the 10%, 119, not 149. Yeah. For this 10% discount means from 119.75, 11.975 should be removed. So it should be gain. I think it's 8.875% gain. Okay, if the calculator allowed, this is hardly 10 seconds question. Okay, it's hardly 10 seconds question. So what do you have to do? If suppose calculator allowed, let's say calculator is allowed, then you can see that 35% increase means you can write 1.35, 35% increase multiplied by 10% discount means 90%, 0.9 multiplied with, okay, we have 15% discount means 0.85. That is giving 1.03275, means it should be, yeah, 3.275% gain. Somewhere I did mistake. 125, yeah, this is 114.75. See, that's what calculations need to be precise. So 135 minus 20 will give 115, right? So 0.25 gone, 114.75. Among 114.75, we have to remove 14.7. 11.475. Yeah, 114 and 11 will be around 3 point. Here 275. Yes, this is what 3.275% gain you are getting. So you see that. So if calculator, it hardly takes very much less time to answer, give the answer. 3 point more than one. How much? Okay, that's what 3.03275 into 100 is 3.27% gain. That's correct only. But this is what calculator easy, but calculator not allowed. We need to be cool. What is the largest power of 20 contained in 100 factorial? This is a typical question. In any factorial, I want largest power of 20. 20 means 4 and 5 combination. In the sense 2 square. First write given number as prime number power. 20 can be written as 2 square into 5 power 1. Means I have to find in 100 factorial how many 5s are there. In 100 factorial how many 5s are there means, okay, I have to divide 100 with 5. 100 with 5, 20. Then again 20, that quotient should be divided by 5, 4. Now 4 cannot be divided, you stop. So there are 24 5s in 100 factorial. Similarly, I want how many number of 4s. So in 100 factorial, 4 cannot be done. We have to check 2s. 100 divided by 250. 50 divided by 225. 25 divided by 2, 12 point something. Take only quotient 12. 12. Integer part only. Then 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 point something 1. So 50 plus 25, 75. 75 plus 12, 87. 87 plus 6, 93. 93 plus 3, 96. 96 plus 1, 97. So 2s are 97 available means 4s are 48 available. I can write as you people are having more than 80% and all, I assume that you people can grasp the things easily. If any doubt at any point of time, please ask. So highest power of 4 is this, highest power of 5 is this. So if you have 48 male, 24 females, how many legal marriages possible? 48 boys, 24 girls. Girls are less, so 24 marriages only possible, right? 5 and 4 both required to get 20. 4 into 5 is 20. With 4 only 20 cannot generate. 5 also required. So as 5 is shortage, 4s are excess. But so which is less power, that we can go. 24 is the answer. 5s are less compared to 4. So 24. Highest power of 20 in 100 factorial is this. Any doubts here, please ask. Moving to the next one. Sangeeta invested 20,000 at 8% per annum. So I got the inputs from your friends like, sir, discuss more related to quant. Okay, as in Accenture also we discuss a lot related to reasoning. We believe that you people can handle reasoning better. Quant, not much. That's why we'll discuss around 25 questions in today's session related to quant. In that previous video also reasoning stuff is given. You can go through that as well. If time permits, we'll discuss reasoning as well. But if people can handle reasoning a bit better, few set of questions already discussed related to reasoning. If time permits, still I'll go through that, no issues. Here what they given, compound half yearly. Compound half yearly means 4% for 6 months. For 1 year 8% means 4% for 6 months. In a year we have 2 half yearlies. In a year we have 2 half yearlies, right? So for 20,000 compound interest for first half yearly, first half yearly 4% is the rate of interest. 4% for 20,000. 1% is 200. 4% means 4 divided by 100. 800 will come. For second half yearly, What is the rate of interest is? Okay, so our compound interest is first year interest plus interest for that. 4% of 800. See, compound interest is interest for the interest. You have 800, okay, and interest for the interest we have to calculate. 1% is 8, 4% is 32, second half yearly 832, together 1 year completed. That's what for 1 year, what is the interest is 1632. Option A, 1632. So you can find, okay, simple interest, compound interest they're asking. And here they are giving what sum of money will accumulate to 5,300 at 8% interest in 9 months. Guys, money accumulated, this is amount. Amount is 5,300. Amount means, see, by default, when they not mention the question, you have to take simple interest. Sir, is it simple interest or compound interest? Not mentioned means go with simple interest. In simple interest, amount is nothing but okay, principal plus interest. Principal you don't know. Interest is P into time is 9 months, but time should be in terms of years divided by 12. Rate of interest is 8. Okay, divide PTR divided by 100. That they given us 5,300. This is for 2 times, for 3 times, 3 ones, 3 times. Okay, this is what the scenario. Now you calculate P value, I think 5,000 will come. Right, so 5,000 is it? Yeah, you can take LCM, okay, divide by 100, 106p equal to 5,300 into 100. This is 50 times 15 to 100 is 5,000. Simple interest, compound interest related, at least one question. As you have only 12 questions, you can expect one question from this. One from probability and permutation combination together, one from logarithm, one from simplifying the things, simplification, right? See, for this, what to be added so that it will become a perfect square is this one, right? You know, 289 is a perfect square. This can be written as 282 into 10 power minus 4. For this, 7 into 10 power minus 4 is added, then it becomes 289 perfect square. 10 power minus 4 also perfect square, no problem. So this is to be added. The least number to be added to make it as a perfect square. This is very, very general question. Options also there. And see, my dear friend, I think we discussed this question, right? That's what you can see. Same question shared by your friends. This year, we discussed that stuff, but here names are changed. See, I said 3 into 4. Their Locus and Gabriel separate names we considered. Now, divisible by 7. The number should be divided by 7. For divisible by 7, there is no shortcut actually. I always suggest better to go with the options, that too in a gentle way. Don't try all options. Try one. I'll take suppose 7, because for 7, 2 above is 8 and 9. 2 below is 5 and 6, right? So I'll take 7. I'll try with 7. 1 0 1 1 4 7 5. Means I can split this as like this. Yeah, here I can see. Here if you got reminder that you add here, is it divisible or not? Better is that, right? So I think you put hash also here. This is the easy way of solving. First divide with this 7, first term. What are the remainder is there? Add to this hash of that 7. So then is it divisible or not? We can check. So first see this. What is the remainder? 7 1 7. Still we have 31. 7 4 is 28. Still you have 4. Sorry. Yeah, 31 only, right? 31. So 4 times 28. Still you have 3. 34 it will come. So 7 4 times 28. Still we'll got 60. 8 times 56. Now we'll get 40. 5 times 35. You'll got 5 remainder. 5 remainder. Right? Now listen carefully. You have 5. Here this will generate 5. 5 plus 65 will give 70, divisible, right? If hash is 6, 65 plus 5 is 70. 70 is divided by 7. Here I got this as a 5. Hash should be 6 now. So see that. Excellent question to you just think about. Right? Good. See the next one. Divisible by 88 means it should be divided by 8 and 11. Right? Given number as prime number power, 2 cube into 11. So that's why 8 and 11 combination we have to go. So for 8, last 3 digits must be divisible. Divisible by 8 rule, you see the divisibility rules video which we shared. Last 3 digits you need to check. Here last 3 digits are this. 2, 3. And if you want to divide by 8, 5 is wrong. 5 is wrong. So now I have to verify this. It can be 70, 723, 232, or it can be 727232. Yeah. Now what is divisible by 11 rule? Divisible by 11 rule is alternate digit summation, remaining numbers summation, difference we have to take. Here alternate is 7 plus 3 plus 3, which is 13. Remaining 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. 13 minus 6 is 9. Whereas here 7 plus 7 plus 3, which is 17. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Difference is 11. This is divisible by 11, not this one. Divisible by 11 is satisfied by this, not that one. You have to take alternate digit summation and remaining digit summation. The difference should be divisible by 11. Then only the entire number is divisible by 11. So option D is correct. Divisibility related. Next. Namita has 4.2 kg. She has been asked to make 5 cups cakes out of every half kg. How many cupcakes? Okay, see, it's very simple, right? So 5 cupcakes out of every half kg. So from half kg, you are getting 5 cupcakes. So for 1 kg, you are getting 10 cups. If it is 4.2 kgs, 4.2 into 10, 42 cups, obviously. Simple. This is straightforward simplification related stuff, I can say. 42 should be your answer. 5 cups from half kg. So 1 kg, 10 cups. 4.2 kgs means 4.2 into 10, 42 cups will be developed. Again, you see, they're asking this type of question. For your friends, they given, okay, divide by 343 like that. Okay, log 7, 1 by 343. Okay, 1 by 343, if they given 343 can be written as 7 cube. That can be written as log 7 power minus 3 base 7, which is equal to minus 3. But this is minus 2. Log 7 base 7 is nothing but equal to 1. For your friends, recently they got the same question, but here instead of 49, they given 343. It's not a big deal. See, I'm not saying that same questions will repeat. The concepts, the methodology is maintaining same. And this question also repeatedly they're asking, still people are doing the mistakes. Why, sir? See, 12,000 phones every day, okay, that company is giving. Out of this, 2 1 by 3 faulty and 4 1 by 3 are defective in packing. Okay, means 2 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, 6 plus 2 by 3. Fine. Oh, one moment. 21 by 3, 4 by 3. Okay, defective in packing. Then how many non-faulty and non-defective packaged phones are produced every day? One second. That fraction might be a mistake. One moment. I'll just we have a set of Things no issues. Let me check with that. I think there may be some type error in that. Wait a minute, I'll just share those faulty related question, right? I'm just searching that original data. Okay. Yeah, 2 1 by 3 faulty and 4 1 by 3 are defective in packing. Then how many non-faulty and non-defective? Correct. Question is correct only. That they given related to algebra. Okay. Fine. So it should be around 7 should be fault or 2 1 by 3 out of this. Means every 7 3 7 by 3, this is 13 by 3. How many are non-faulty or non-defective package? So we have to remove this defective one from that. It should give 1120. No, it should be near to the 1200 only. 7 decreased. So where things went wrong. 2 1 by 3 faulty and 4 1 by 3 are defective. Okay, fine. Let me see that. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll see about the next question. Definitely, we'll look into that. No problem. That's a repeated question. This one, maybe I'm thinking the question is too much other ways. But see this. Here you need to eliminate. See the question clearly. You need to eliminate x, y, z, right? So I don't want x, y, z. I don't want x, y, z. I don't want x, y, z. So option B. In fact, if we add a plus b plus c, right hand side, a means x plus y, b means y plus z, c means z plus x. It will give 2 into x plus y plus z. That is nothing but 2m. You want to eliminate x, y, z. Simple is that. 2m is the answer. I am discussing two set of questions. See, this is one more excellent question, which is regarding simplification, we can say. So you need to simplify this expression. And by how much was her answer wrong? See, correct answer is this. Her answer is this. But this is the expression you need to solve. Okay, what is the mistake in her answer you have to do? So 6 by 4, 5 1 by 6 means it's 31 by 6. Half means multiply. 3 by 7, so 3 ones, 3 twos. Denominator 5 plus 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3 means nothing but 7 by 3. Now numerator, this is 3 by 2 plus 31 by 14. Here 15 plus 7, 22 by 3. Here if we take LCM 14, 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 31, 52 divided by 22 divided by 3. This is 2 7 times, 2 26 times. This is 11 times, 13 times. 13 into 3, 39. 7 into 11, 77. See, this should be the correct answer. Correct answer. See the question, such a good question, right? So you want to get the answer 13 out of 7, 39 out of 77. She got 38 out of 77. The error, how much was the answer wrong? See, they're not asking your answer. You got 39 by 77. Don't put that. How much was her answer wrong? Molly got 38 out of 77. Correct answer is 39 out of 77. The wrong is 1 out of 77. See the way of asking the question. Good thing we can see that. Right. Let's see about the next question. Almost we're ending the two set of papers related to quant. Then we'll go for reasoning also. That will boost some energy for us, right? So see this question related to time and distance. In quant, people may got some gap due to Accenture drive where more of on reasoning. Okay, so focus here. A car is 250 meters ahead behind the bus. Now it should be 250 meters ahead of the bus. The target is 500. 250 behind. So car is behind the bus 250. Now it should be okay head of the bus 250. That's the target. Means 500 meters lead you require. If you are at minus 250, you want to reach plus 250 means you need to travel 500 extra. That's what extra. Relative speed will give extra only. You need 500 extra. Okay, as per the relative speed, as both are moving in the same direction here, this is same direction only, right? Car is behind, now car is ahead of. Okay, no need to mention that in the question. You should consider it's the same. So relative speed, okay, car can travel 25 kilometers more in 1 hour. In 1 hour, 25 kilometers more. I want only half kilometer. It can travel, okay, this is 500 meters or half kilometer. So for 25 kilometers, 1 hour, for half kilometer, how much time? That's what the question is simple. For 25 kilometers, 1 hour time taken, right? So for 1 kilometer, 1 by 25th of the hour. For half kilometer, it's 1 by 50th of hour. Hour is 60 minutes. So 60 by 50 minutes means 6 by 5th of the minute. 6 by 5th of the minute, as minute is nothing but 60 seconds, you got 72 seconds as the answer. Or 1 minute 12 seconds. It depends on the options. I think seconds only they're given. Or you can go with 1 minute 12 seconds also as the option. 1 minute 12 seconds, or you have 72 seconds means quite good. 72 is available. See the question. You are at negative. You need to reach positive. Okay, how much you need to go ahead? You observe the question. Excellent one that also. Yes, see that. Right. Now the question which we stopped here. Yeah. See, 2 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 3 means 6 2 by 3 are nothing but, okay, 16 to 3, 18, 20 by 3%. This is actually 2 1 by 3%. This is 4 1 by 3%. That percentage is missing. So 20 by 3% are fault and defective. Fault is this, so I want no faulty, non-defective. So 20 by 3% should be removed. From 1200, remove 20 by 3% part. Then they are, okay, non-faulty and non-defective. Out of total, how many faulty, how many defective we are removing? So percentage means divided by 100. Or okay, every day, fine. We'll check once. I think so. This is what the scenario. This two, okay. 4, 80 gone. That's what there is a mistake with percentage. So everything, yeah, 1120. Don't go for 80. 80 is defective and faulty. I want non-faulty and non-defective. This is percentage. There is a typing mistake. 2 1 by 3% faulty. 4 1 by 3% are defective. Percentage. That's why we stuck there because of some error in the question. Now see this next question. Your pair of shoes is decreased by 10%, then increased by 20%. Decreased by 20%, 10% means 90%, and increased by 20% means 120%. 90% means 90 by 100, 120% means 120 divided by 100. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 cancel. 9 into 12 is 108. 108 divided by 100 is 108%, means 8% increase. One approach. The other approach, 100 rupees become 90 because of 10% decrease. Now again 20% increase. 90, 10% increase means 9. 20% increase means one more 9 will be added, 108. 100 become 108 means it's nothing but call 8% increase. Or you can use x plus y plus xy by 100 formula. Here decrease means minus, increase means plus. Minus 10 into 20 divided by 100. This is giving plus 10 at the end. Plus 8, sorry. If you cancel, you will check. Minus 10 plus 20 minus 2 will give plus 8. Plus 8 means 8% increase. Minus 8 means 8% decrease, and like that you can consider. There are n number of methods. Now series 24 means two set of questions related to quant is done. Then we'll go for reasoning, a glimpse related to that. Series fast. A story has a banner of 25% off on MRP of all branded items. So Seetal goes to this and buy 75 rupees, and this is generally they'll give 1,999, means it should be like 2,000. You can take rough. Okay, let it be y. You take 1,999 only. Approximately, there is no options close enough, so I think yeah, these two options are very close. Okay, we'll proceed with 1,999. Okay, how much money she have to pay? And 75% of this, right? So 75 plus, I'll take the RL 74, I'll take this. That I'll take as 2,000 for calculations easy. 2,000 plus this one, 4,900, means 4,974. Okay, to be paid, 75 per 25% offer means you have to pay 75%. Paid is 75%. See, you take 25%, no, that also available in the options. Problem is that how much you want to pay. See, this is all discounts. Divide by 4, around 1,200 is discount. Okay, but paid is this, no need to worry much. 3 by 4, 75% means 3 by 4. Approximately this you take as 5,000. Approximately 5,000. Right, so 1,215 into 3 will be 3,750, close to that. You have to get less than that only, because instead of this I taken more value. I added 26 extra. Some value should be decreased. That's what you can observe here. Right, so approximations B is correct. Now, Jagdish 10 days, Narendra 12 days, Sumit 15 days. Which pair can complete in 6 days? I said together means multiply divided by summation. Which pair is 6 days? You check that. If it is Jagdish and Narendra, 10 into 12 divided by 10 plus 12. It's 120 divided 60 divided by 11, approximately 5.5 days. No. Next, Jagdish and Sumit. 10 into 15 divided by 10 plus 15. 150 divided by 25, exactly 6 days. Option B is correct. Which pair? Okay, he's having 6 days. So when you want to do together, product divided by summation. Okay, that's regarding glimpse regarding quant, which areas you need to focus. There's still logarithms. So I shared you certain things. Whenever you have doubt, put in the group also. We'll update the solution for that. No issues. Okay, as time is less, go through the things fast. Okay. Now let's see about the reasoning related stuff. Yeah, again, you want to know data sufficiency, I said, right? So we discussed two questions already. This is also data sufficiency related stuff. Lowest ionization energy. So in question they given, ionization energy decreases with the increasing size. So ionization energy is inversely proportional to the size. So cesium has the largest size. So statement 1 alone sufficient. Statement 1 alone sufficient. When cesium is largest size, it should have lowest ionization energy. It's clear cut. 1 alone is sufficient. 2 alone also I don't want. 1 alone sufficient. 2 alone I cannot decide. 1 alone sufficient. So data sufficiency related. And one more like this they are asking. So see, this is what logical sequence of words, most meaningful order you need to go. As per the size or as per the weight, as per the process, you can see that they given the question. Logical sequence of words. Most meaningful order you need to pick. They mention in the question as per the size, as per the quality, or as per the process, occurrence of events, nature, process, most meaningful order. Animals comes under which one? Order, you see. Science, okay, science is a big area. That's what you can observe. Everything starts from 3. Yes, science. In science, you have, yeah, line is a part of animal, right? So line should be last one. It should comes under animals. Okay. Whether biology comes in geology or geology comes in biology, that's the problem, right? So 3, last 2 is 1 and 4. Sir, we are engineering guys, we are asking medical terms. Okay, at least starting with 3, ending with 1 and 4, fine. But here 2 and 5, which one? Biology, then geology, or geology, then biology? Which one correct? Guys, I have less general knowledge. Help me. Yeah? No one? Is biology part of geology or geology a part of biology? First, which should come? Yes. Geology is a part of biology, right? So first biology, then see this also we required. So 2, then 5. Option 1. Next one, odd one out. Many of you people are very familiar with this odd one out related stuff. Okay, we have around half an hour. I think we can complete the reasoning also. Odd one out. You can see, okay, FHKO, right? So you see last 2 letters or first 2 letters, middle 2 letters like that. That's better thing. If you observe last 2 letters, this is 11 and 15, 4 gap. Here 8 and 12, 4 gap. This is 3 and 7, 4 gap. Here 5 and 10, 5 gap. So odd one out is this. You can see first 2 letters, last 2 letters likewise. Okay. Here last 2 letters, if you observe, first 2 letters Z is 0. Z can be taken as 0. B can be taken as 2 or 28 also. Z can be taken as 0 or 26. That required. Don't fix that always Z is 0 and all. Okay, you can use those. This is odd man out. Definitely you can find one question related to that. And coding and decoding. Yeah. People are thinking above one also coding and decoding. It's actually odd man out. Analogy already I mentioned, right? This is +2 logic. In between one letter is skipped, so +2. O +2 will be Q, U +2 is G. So first and last Q and G. And in between, what's their change? This one, right? N +2 is P, correct, not O. O is wrong. +2 logic, +2 logic. or skip one letter. Plus 2 logic means skip one letter forward. While going forward way, skip one letter in forward. Next one, yeah, this one I think we discussed. Same one or different one? Yeah, I think same question. See, south 1 kilometer. This is from previous data I have. Okay, this year first questions whatever I discussed is this year 1 month before. Few of your friends who participated in different profile for Tekken they share. See that you at least trust the things which we are mentioning, and here they'll give a big paragraph. Okay, and they'll mention okay, related to that, what is the related statement? It's actually like reading comprehension. If you read the entire stuff of that paragraph, okay, awesome. This is regarding yoga. Okay, they given some paragraph and which is correct related to that. Okay, this will take some time. So you see, okay, if you are good in English, you people can do the things easily. This is not a big difficulty, but you need to read the question bit fast. And you have extra time as you have 12 questions, 15 minutes. Extra 3 minutes is there that you can utilize here. Generally, this type of question they are giving in last two. You have 12 questions, right? They also know they are putting this type of questions in 10, 11, 12 in that way, as it is taking time. And I think so. This is also we discussed but with a different name, Mira something likewise we discussed. Now see, that's what dear. This question, the name changed. Same thing we discussed right today. Yeah, Kamala Mira, same. Okay, fine. Same thing we already discussed, and we said that not sufficient. Instead of Mira, rather they may give A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Now, again, data sufficiency. Data sufficiency, one question. Coding and decoding, one question. Regarding that analogy, one question. Odd by not, one question. Directions, one question. Blood relation, one or two questions. You need to prepare. This is what they are asking. Your mind should be tuned. Data sufficiency, one question likewise, right? So, one or two also chances. In fact, thesis important, data sufficiency, accents are important, what not, right? So, is Radha Manju's sister? First one, Rahul has two daughters, of which Manju is one. So Rahul has two daughters. Among that, Manju is one daughter. With that, I cannot say Radha is Manju's sister or not. One alone, no. Next, two alone. Radha's mother is married to Rahul. Is Radha Manju's sister? Yeah, fine. Radha's mother married to Rahul. So Radha is also daughter of Rahul. So yes, put together is okay. If you put together, Radha and Manju are two daughters. Okay, and Radha is sister of Manju. Manju is sister of Radha. We can consider. Again, data sufficiency. Here, question missed. Leave about this. There is some question they'll ask. Okay, C is what position with respect to a something they'll give here. This is an error. Okay, I'm putting in red color. So ignore this question. There is some mistake in the question. Yeah, ignore that. Okay. Now here find PQR. This is the question. Now this is again related to data sufficiency. PQR are three consecutive integers. Average is 34. Fine. I think put together you can go because when there are consecutive integers, right? So it's like A plus 1, A plus 2. They said average is 34 means generally when this is in AP, average 34 means middle term. When this is 34, this is 33, this is 35. We have a lot of methods, but this is the simple out of all. Put together, you can answer. Statement 2 alone, average 34 means each one I don't know. Okay, PQR or three consecutive digits means what is the value I don't know. But put together, you can answer. Average when terms are in AP is middle term. And this model we discussed, we said, right, inequalities in the introduction, you observe. They given some statement here. Okay, S greater than T means S is 20% of T, means 20% is divided by 5. Okay, then T hash U, T equal to U. U is half of V. That's what. Now between S and V, they are giving the link. Okay, in place of T, I can put U. In place of U, I can put V by 2, means V by 10. So S equal to V by 10. Okay. S is less than V, correct only. S is 20% of V. No, it's 10% of. 1 by 10 is nothing but 10%, not 20%. So only one is true. This is a bit different question related to inequalities. You observe. Okay. It's only first conclusion true. Related to directions again. Shivam put his wall clock on a table in such a way that at 9 a.m. the hour hand was pointing towards south. So yeah, you can put your watch in different ways, right? So, but at 9 a.m., hour hand is showing south. My dear friend, when hour hand is south, the opposite will be north. And in fact, in clockwise, after north, east should come, south, then west should come. This is what. Now you are not changing the position. The same clock, it is showing 9:30. When it is showing 9:30, sorry, blunder from my side. I put it for 3 o'clock. This is a mistake. Nine a.m. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Okay. At 9 a.m. This is south. Means opposite is north. Clockwise north after east, south, then west will come. So same thing, north, south, east and west. Now time is showing 9:30. Means minute hand will be here. Our hand is slightly upper. So minute hand is facing towards east direction. Related to directions concept only. In directions, there are 4 concepts. Angle, and we have related to clock, related to distance and direction, diagram oriented one, which we know which distance from starting point and all. So this is one more question related to direction. See, you understand the importance of directions now in this exam, right? Here, okay, so first 4 steps north, 3 steps east, 8 steps south, 6 steps west. You can draw the diagram also, it's your wish. 7 steps north, 5 east, 6 south, 4 west, 3 north. Now, this is from office she is going. Okay, she is going from, she is in a different mood. Okay, so from office to home she is going. This is how he went, right? Now put all north adding. Where or north is there? So 6 north, 7 north means 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So 14 north. Next put all east. 3 east, 5 east means 8 east. Then put all south. 8 south, 6 south means 14 south. Then put all west. 10 west. That's it. Right. So 14 north, 14 south will cancel. Okay. 8 and this one will be 2 west. 8 east and 10 west will be 2 west. So 2 steps to the west is the answer. This is the shortcut. Instead of drawing the diagram, this is the one you can go ahead. Right. Next one again, odd man out. If you observe here, I said first 2 or last 2 or middle 2, something like here 13, 15, okay. Here 20, 22, I think no issue. 16, 18 also no issue. 3 and 5 also no issue. And you can see the last one. 5 and 8. 3 gap, 18 and 22, 4 gap here, there is an issue. Yes, option B. Last two problem. When you see last two, there is a 3, 4 gap here. Rest all are maintaining 3 gap only. Problem is that. Next, similarly, odd man out here. 4 and 10, the difference is 6. 20 and 26, difference 6. Here is the problem. 11 and 18, difference is 7. 13 and 19, difference is 6. Option B is the problem. Odd man out. See. One more odd man out. Similar logic. E value 5, F value 6, N value 14, P value 16 is wrong. First letter, that, sorry, first letter there is no importance here. Second letter value they are giving. N14, F6, E5, P18. P should be 16. Here land, if you shuffle that names, river, rock, sand. See, except river, remaining all are stationary. River, water is flowing, or else remaining all are 4 letters words. This is 5 letter word. Or R is repeated here, remaining all are different letters, some stuff like that. But this is odd one out in anagram. So from the given anagram, select the odd one out. Remaining all are stationary. This is what the moving one. Okay, likewise, we can pick the odd one out. And this is also logical sequence of words. Important. One question you can find in this model. Whether it is CTS company, previously CTS company followed AMCAT platform, DXC followed, Wipro followed, but this year they may change the platforms also. But okay, long back DXC, CTS, okay, and Wipro also followed AMCAT, and many other. AMCAT, when you take the test, depends on the scores. They may refer the companies also. Okay, that's all up to the individuals. That's a thing point you can ignore right now. Okay, you focus on this now. Process. What's the process? From seed, plant, from plant to tree, seed, plant, tree. From that we'll get wood. From that we can develop the furniture. I think this is the process. Occurrence of events or process we can consider. Logical sequence of words. Now this one, coding and decoding, they write in reverse. Coding and decoding, you write reverse. Okay, coding and decoding, one question. Odd one out, one question. Logical sequence of words, one question. Directions, 1 or 2. Data sufficiency, 1 or 2. Inequalities, blood relation. Now here if you observe, introducing a man, and there is one question like eligibility criteria. They'll give one big paragraph. I think that stuff I added or not, or else at the end I'll discuss that one point as well. They're giving series also. Fine, there is a scope to get series. We'll see. I think by the end you can find the things. He is the husband of my mother's daughter. Because of the word of, we can write it from back to front, read it from back to front. From the word is, my means woman. Woman, mother, daughter means woman, sister, or woman also. Husband is man. So it can be two things. So answer none here. Woman, mother, daughter means herself or maybe sister. So that man may be okay, husband for woman. So how man related to woman is husband, or husband for the sister means brother-in-law. There are two cases, but still there is no option called brother-in-law, no option called husband. That's what the problem. So it's option D, none. Next one. Q is the wife of R. None also one of the option. Don't ignore it. Q is wife of R. M is the mother of R. And S as well. How is M related to K? Okay, so husband, mother is mother-in-law. Q is wife of R means R is husband of Q. M is mother of R. So spouse mother is mother-in-law. How is M related to Q is nothing but mother-in-law. right? So blood relation also you just look into that. See the next one. Sita, who is the sister-in-law of Aravind, is the daughter-in-law of Sumita. Deepak is the father of Sarthak, who is the only brother of Aravind. How is Sumita related to Aravind? So guys, check it out this. Some type errors, I'm just rectifying it. Sita, who is the sister-in-law of Aravind, is the daughter-in-law of Sumita. So Sita is daughter-in-law of Sumita. Sumita daughter-in-law means son wife is Sita. Sita is sister-in-law of Aravind means brother wife. Yeah, Aravind brother is someone wife. Okay, Deepak is the father of Sarthak. Sarthak is the only brother for Aravind. So Sarthak here, and Deepak is the father of Sarthak. So this is what the scenario. How is Sumita related to Aravind? Is mother. Sumita is nothing but mother to Aravind. Here, if you observe, they are giving alternate series 2, 5, 8, 11, 8, 6, 4. Two different series they combined into one. That's one series. 8, 6 blank is nothing but 4. Number series also you can expect a question. This is letter series. When you want to handle letter series, see the first letters, second letter separately. This is 3, 10, 17. We have 7 gap, 7 gap. Again 7 gap means 24, nothing but X. Starting with X, only one option available. Directly go ahead with that. You should know the coding. Okay, you already aware of that, so no need to spend much time there, right? Now is m divisible by 6? If any number to be divided by 6 means it should be divided by 2 and divided by 3. If it is divisible by 3, I cannot say 1 alone. Divide by 3 is not mean the divided by 6. 9 is divided by 3, not divided by 6. I cannot say. If it is divided by 4, I cannot decide. Yeah, 8 is divided by 4, divided by 6, no, but put together. If it is divided by 3 and 4, means it's divided by 12. A number divided by 12 is obviously divided by 6. So put together sufficient. You have to go with the answer put together sufficient. If a number is divided by 3 and divided by 4, if both okay, means definitely it's divided by 12. That's guarantee. Divided by 12 means obviously it's divided by 6. You check any number divided by 12, obviously divided by 6. Obviously divided by 6. Next, one more question related to series. So in the given time, whatever we are trying to give max to max for you people. So utilize. 71. If you do mistake in calculation, we may have got 61. See that 6 difference. Number series. All this stuff related reasoning, majority we discussed in other specific trainings as well. Right. Now again, this is similar to that. They give a big paragraph. You need to analyze or maybe read, not analyze, okay, read it and which is suitable. It's almost similar to reading comprehension only. Yeah, pretty much similar to reading comprehension. This is right. See, after in essay writing, you make sure after dot give the space, after comma give the space, after dot give the space and start with capital letter. We mentioned after comma giving the space, so that's they'll check. Okay, and I said okay, we'll share you the link. Okay, in the group. Don't worry about it. Yeah, see this next question also similar to that, where they given certain inputs, and you people need to check. Which is correct related to that. this model, it's like reading comprehension. Don't worry, it's like you will take less time only, but it's similar to reading comprehension. So some people are feeling, sir, verbal is not there. You said you have verbal indirectly here, no issues. There you a paragraph and you need to select related to that. What is the best suitable? And yeah, again, one more question related to coding and decoding. Not coding and decoding, it's data sufficiency and coding and decoding mixing. So sit pit means get ready. What is the code for ready? To decide that which one is required. I think one alone also fine because common is ready, common is sit. So statement one alone says that ready is sit. But don't stop your journey there. Try two alone. Can I discuss with two alone? Two alone also you can do because common is ready, common is sit. So one alone, two alone means each statement alone. You need both even put together. No, this is the one. See option E. Either of the statements individually is sufficient. So one alone, okay. Don't stop your journey with one alone. Two alone also you can do here. So either of the statements taken individually is sufficient to answer the question. Right. So observe the things. Right. So see the next one. One model, what I'm thinking is missing. I think this is what the question we discussed already. I have four friends. What is my age? So what we discussed? Both statements put together is sufficient. But one thing which I thought of is not here. Okay, I think might be there in next five questions. We'll check once. It's available, it seems. Like I said, one paragraph they'll give. Yeah, this is the one, 35. With that, we can close the things. Still, I think we have around 10 minutes. So see this next one. Series related stuff, dear. So what should be your answer for this question? So market is not good. Please put your full efforts. Okay. When you don't have idea, when numbers are slow increasing, try to take differences. When we don't have idea, that's one of the trick you can follow. Okay, differences will help you in general. So if you take difference, here it is 45. Okay, then what's the difference? Some people said, sir, option this because sum of digits is 9, sir. Everything sum is 9. Here 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9, 2 plus 5 plus 2, 9. 9 is available only in this way. That also fine. Good logic. You have different ways. And if you take difference, what's the difference here, dear? 81. Okay. Again, if you take difference, what's the difference here? 117, right? This is 36. Here 36. Again, if you add 36, it will be 153. If you add 153 to 252, which is 405. The other logic, sum of digits 9 is easy, right? That's what you have n number of ways. You have n number of ways solving the question. Everything is fine. It's all up to you which one you are considering. Now see this. This is similar to coding and decoding. It's an analogy question. I too agree. Or you can put this in coding and decoding model also. Here P and Q plus 1, R and T plus 2. I think it's like plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7 like that. Every letter it's keep going. So plus 1 is B, plus 2 is R, this is S. Then L is nothing but 12. 12 plus 4 is P. 9 plus 5, 14 means N. Still things are going. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is ninth letter, right? Plus 9 required. where we need n ending with n, that's available here. If you keep going, yeah, +1, +2, +3, likewise. So for every letter, first letter, second letter, and all, this is the logic. Now see the next one, odd man out. Almost 3 set of papers I am discussing related to reasoning. 36 questions means quant 2 set of questions, and I given one more paper video already. I think related to first round one. Yesterday, I think I given certain inputs, and I'm sharing you the Cambridge related link for you people to practice. Utilize those. Yeah, add one out circle, remaining all are polygons. Right? See the next one, 34 related to blood relation. Then one question, last one, that model you people can expect in 12th question in general. That's what eligibility criteria related. Important for TCS in also. Next, what I'm going to discuss, that's important for TCS also. 35th question. Now here, Akriti went to her mother's brother's wife's daughter's parental mother's only son-in-law's nephew's house. Okay, mother, brother, wife, daughter, paternal grandmother, only son-in-laws, nephew. So Akriti, mother, brother, wife, daughter. Paternal means from father side. Paternal grandmother means father, mother. So this guy is father already. Father, mother, only son-in-law. For this son-in-law means daughter, husband. So for this person, son-in-law means daughter is here, daughter, husband. Okay, son-in-laws, nephews. For son-in-law, this person, nephew means, okay, your brother-in-law or your siblings, okay, related stuff. So fine, brother-in-laws, son-in-laws, nephew's house. Nephew means, okay, his siblings related. Yeah, fine, siblings. Okay, for this person there is some siblings, son, some siblings, son. Okay, nephew. So maybe the sibling is this guy also. This guy also sibling, their son also possibility is there. But still, this guy or this guy is cousin to Akriti only. So cousin is the answer. Yeah, your sibling's son is nephew, your sibling's son, your brother or sister's son, or your brother-in-law's son, sister-in-law's son also fine. Okay, your spouse, brother is brother-in-law. This guy also may have something. So this person or this person is nothing but cousin. Your parents, siblings, children's are you okay? See, siblings, children's are internally cousin relationship. This guy is cousin to this guy. This guy is cousin to this. Here, this is cousin to this person. This person is cousin to this person. They are internally cousins. And the last question, they give some condition. Okay, whether this guy to recruit or okay select or what. Okay, we need to check that. So this is the criteria you want to select a candidate. Means he should be from civil engineering, at least 65%. Age should be greater than 21 and not more than 28. As on the reference is 2016, not 2022 or 2023 or 2024. And selection test 70% minimum and willing to deposit 50,000 rupees. After training, they want to refund. Generally for recruitments, okay, majority, they'll ask, okay, because people are not staying with the companies, they'll ask you people to deposit and they'll return after 1 year, something like this. That's also few companies because of students not okay clearly mentioning when they want to leave from the company, so they are asking to deposit some amount also. That's a fair process also. Don't think in a wrong side, but check with the placements team before you people are paying any amount to any company without the inputs from your placements team. Don't go ahead. The first thing, yeah, and if suppose a condition not satisfied means he not completed the engineering, he may be in the final semester, he is referred to the VP of the company, And okay, and if you you are not willing to pay 50,000 and you have experience of more than 1 year, refer to GM, like that. Now that's the conditions. Now this is what sham. Sham is civil engineering and 70%. Is it condition one satisfied? Condition one, 65% at least. Yeah. A satisfied, condition A satisfied. Scores selection test 75%. Age 25. Age 25 means B satisfied, at least 70%. Okay, so 75, C satisfied. Willing to deposit 50,000, not mentioned. He's having experience of 2 years in a private company. Then D not satisfied. You are referred to the GM, it seems, general manager or VP. Yeah. D condition 50,000 not mentioned, not okay, not mentioned regarding payment. So, but having more than a year is referred to the GM of the company. So, what should be the decision we have to take is referred to the GM. GM means general manager. This is decision making or eligibility criteria topic. Topic name is decision making. You have to take the decision or eligibility criteria, whether that candidate is recruited, selected or not. Okay, whom to be. Maybe if not, what is the condition? You need to refer to the VP or general manager insufficient data to take the decision. All those things. In fact, this question is tending for this point also. Not this, not this, not this, but this one also there is a chance if you go deep into the concept, because he is not willing to pay, not mentioned, right? If he is not willing to pay, then refer to the general manager and all. He is not mentioned regarding that payment. Generally, what they'll say, he is willing to pay 10,000, something like, okay, willing to pay. He's not willing to pay is also not mentioned in question. Okay, if you go deep into the things, it might be insufficient data to the decision also. Or if you take in a lighter note, it will be like general manager, refer to general manager. Don't expect companies will give a key. Okay, in general, if you see, it's the answer option B. If you go deeper into every point, okay, because they didn't mention he's not willing to pay. If they mention he's not willing to pay means okay, but he's having 2 years experience, we can go with that D and all. So that's thing. So fine, see. Okay, this is regarding the inputs related to my subject, and I hope you people will succeed in the drive. All the best.